So there's a principle in neuroscience that says that nerve cells that fire together are actually wired together. So if you kept thinking the same thing over and over again, and you kept making the same choices for yourself over and over and over again, and if you kept doing the same things, if you kept reproducing the same experiences in your life and feeling essentially the same way day in and day out, your biology actually begins to become hardwired in a sense that way. It becomes programmed and you end up in that program. And so in order to change something to arrive at a completely new vision of your future, if you're wanting to arrive at a completely new goal or a new vision of your future, you'd have to change something really, really important and deep in yourself in order to actually get to where you want to go. And you'd have to change the way that you think deep in your mind. You'd have to change the way that you actually acted and the way that you felt deep inside your soul. And when you begin to become conscious of those unconscious thoughts, so conscious that you don't let slip by your awareness unnoticed, and that you make sure that you don't let them go unchecked by you. If you catch yourself speaking in a limited way to somebody or people or to yourself, or you become conscious that you're behaving in a certain way, and we all know how we can get, or if you're in a habit and you can notice or pay attention to how you're feeling and you can realize how you're feeling, then you're no longer in the program. Now your consciousness observing the program. You're only unconscious when you're inside the program. And so to change then is to become conscious that you don't go unconscious again. Stay conscious, my friend. Stay conscious.